Hi, I'm Denise Gierach of the Gierach Law Firm. I'm making this video to highlight one of the issues I see in my practice. Let's say you're a real estate collector and you have quite a number of properties that have problem issues. Each property has a number of issues with them, and you have problems even handling them yourself while you're alive. So, why did you do this and let it set that way? One is you can't decide just what to do with the property, so you do nothing at all in your lifetime. Another is the sheer volume is just overwhelming to you. You may no longer have a support team to help you out to handle those issues. Another thing is you don't want to part with any of the properties as the tenants have become your friends. So I had this happen recently with an estate of a long-standing client. He had all sorts of commercial properties and he didn't deal with any of them. Each one had their own problems, and then he died. So the problem is you've pushed your real estate problems on your family. And there will be a probate estate because he didn't do anything to retitle some of these things. So your family or your named executor has to be appointed in order to deal with that property. Your executor will have to spend a lot of time finding out about the property, the lease payments and what's owed by the tenants, the condition of the property, what's involved with this, and it's a sizable amount of time. Your executor will have to value each property in order to put the property on the market to sell it. Your executor will need to hire a broker or brokers to sell these properties. If there are many, many hours of work, multiply that times the number of properties. Your real estate taxes, if any, may have to be paid on each property. So what's the solution to all of this? One thing is to set up separate LLCs with all your real estate properties and have the ownership of those in your trust. Then deal with the issues of these different properties, tenant evictions and what have you, before you die, so you're not foisting it on your family. And keep all of this information for each property so it's easier. Set up an estate plan with a professional. And of course, putting those LLC titles in your trust name. So keep your family exposed to what's going on with these properties so there's no surprises. Hire a separate real estate professional who can collect the rents and keep track of things, go in and see that the properties are maintained and let you know what needs to happen on those properties. That will provide a continuity for your family who's going to have to solve all these issues that you were not able to. So again, the theme here is to make sure you keep things easy for your family who's going to end up with these issues. Make sure everything is documented and make sure that the family is informed of all of this so that they know what to do if something happens to you. So thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video.